FunKids! Animals and their homes. A cow lives in a shed. Say with me, a cow lives in a shed. A horse lives in a stable. Say with me, a horse lives in a stable. A lion lives in a den. Say with me, a lion lives in a den. A dog lives in a kennel. Say with me, a dog lives in a kennel. A hen lives in a coop. Say with me, a hen lives in a coop. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Say with me, a rabbit lives in a burrow. A honeybee lives in a beehive. Say with me, a honeybee lives in a beehive. A spider lives in a web. Say with me, a spider lives in a web. A bird lives in a nest. Say with me, a bird lives in a nest. A rat lives in a hole. Say with me, a rat lives in a hole. An ant lives in a anthill. Say with me, an ant lives in a anthill. A pig lives in a pigsty. Say with me, a pig lives in a pigsty. A fox lives in a hollow. Say with me, a fox lives in a hollow. A sheep lives in a pen. Say with me, a sheep lives in a pen. A bear lives in a cave. Say with me, a bear lives in a cave. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.